This video provides an helpful overview of the human papillomavirus. It explains the virus, its symptoms, and how it can be contracted. It also covers practical prevention measures to reduce your infection risk. If people know more about HPV, they will be better able to keep themselves and their partners safe from this common virus. You will also learn the signs and symptoms of HPV and treatments for infected individuals. Finally, this video touches on why it is essential to get tested for HPV and how to find out more information about the virus from reliable sources. Take a few minutes to watch this video to learn more about the human papillomavirus. What is human papillomavirus? It is a virus that affects human skin and mucous membranes. It is usually spread through sexual contact, and both men and women can get it. There are over 200 types of HPV, some of which can cause genital warts or cancer in rare cases. Most people contracting HPV will have no visible symptoms or health problems, as the human body usually fights it off naturally without any treatment. The best way to protect yourself from contracting HPV is to practice safe sex and get regular screenings. How common is HPV? Human papillomavirus is incredibly widespread. In fact, it's commonly thought that nearly every sexually active human being will have HPV at some point in their life. The virus is very easy to spread, so anyone with sexual contact who does not have protection can get it. Luckily, it doesn't always do much damage, and most people who have it don't even know it because they have no symptoms. But it's still important to get checked for HPV and keep an eye on it, because if left untreated, it can lead to more serious health problems like cancer. What are the risks of HPV? Human papillomavirus is a very contagious virus that can be passed from person to person through skin-to-skin contact. Unfortunately, not everyone who has HPV will have any symptoms, so it's impossible to detect who carries the virus without a visit to the doctor and getting tested. Some of the risks of having HPV are genital warts, abnormal cell changes in your cervix that can lead to cervical cancer, and oropharyngeal cancer, which happens in the back of your throat and other areas at the back of your mouth. Fortunately, most HPV infections resolve independently within 2 years of being diagnosed. However, if left untreated, some types of HPV can cause cervical cancer in women or oropharyngeal cancer in both men and women. Women need to get regular cervix exams to find cancer cells before they become cancer. Symptoms. The human papillomavirus is a highly contagious virus that can cause severe issues for human health. Symptoms of human papillomavirus include small growths or warts around the genital area and can even cause cancer in some cases. Sexually active people should be aware of human papillomavirus and take any necessary precautions. Those who think they may have human papillomavirus should visit their doctor or healthcare provider immediately to discuss treatment options. Remember, human papillomavirus can be severe, so it's essential to know your options. How can you protect yourself from HPV? HPV is a virus that easily spreads through skin contact and sexual intercourse, making it difficult to avoid. However, we can take a few steps to reduce our risk. Vaccination is highly recommended, as it makes the body strong enough to fight off any virus it may come across safely and effectively. It's also important to regularly practice safe sex, according to the World Health Organization. These include using condoms or other forms of barrier protection during sex, getting tested regularly for HPV, as well as reducing your number of sexual partners. Although the human papillomavirus can be alarming at first, we can all stay healthy and happy with these precautions followed. Can HPV be cured? It is essential to understand that there is no cure for HPV as it is a virus. However, treatments are available to alleviate the symptoms. In most cases, the human body's own immune system clears the infection and resolves any symptoms over time without treatment. Even though having HPV doesn't mean you'll have harmful health effects, people with it should still learn as much as possible about the disease and see a doctor when needed. This will help make sure the best possible outcome. Treatment. Various treatments are available for human papillomavirus, and each case is unique. The most common therapies within the spectrum include surgery, topical medications, and vaccinations. Surgery is an incredibly effective way of treating human papillomavirus. For most cases, doctors will remove the affected area with a scalpel or laser. This makes it less likely that the HPV will spread and that other treatments will be needed. It also frees patients from any discomfort the HPV may have been causing beforehand. After surgery, people usually need to rest and do light activities to help their health get back to normal. Talking to your doctor about your particular situation is the best way to determine which option will be best for you. Surgery might be what you need to get rid of HPV for good. Fortunately, topical medications are available and can effectively treat the symptoms associated with HPV. One such medication is imiquimod cream, which stimulates your body's immune system to target and attack the virus that causes the problem. When used with other treatment or prevention methods, this strong but gentle solution gives real relief and helps people deal with their condition better over time. Vaccination is an essential step in the fight against human papillomavirus. Vaccines can help you protect yourself and your family against serious illnesses like HPV-related cancers and genital warts. Many doctors now recommend that all adults and adolescents get vaccinated for HPV, regardless of their lifestyle or health status. This is because some types of HPV cause more than 71% of all cases of cervical cancer and many other diseases like throat cancer, anal cancer, and penile cancer. Vaccinating yourself against HPV can mean the difference between life and death in some cases. For that reason alone, it's a decision worthy of serious consideration. Fortunately, many different types of HPV vaccines available vary in effectiveness depending on an individual's needs. With so many options, it's easy to find the right vaccine for you. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.